Hi babies, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing this look for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I get this look done, then definitely just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already prepped the skin because I had another TikTok doing, and this is another TikTok, and I say, hey, I'm going to slay my face, so have to record this video. So let's just jump right into it. So I have no idea which color I'm going to start with, so I'm first going to be going into my P. Louise palette, and I'll be picking up this shadow, and it's called Queen. So I'm going to be starting out in the crease. So I'm placing this directly into the crease. Going into my Saharan II palette, I'll be picking up Zora, and I'll be applying this directly into the crease. So I'm going to go back in with the first brush just to blend out the ends. So going back into my Saharan palette, I'll be picking up this shadow, and this shadow is called Zomad. So I'll be applying this onto the lid. So for my inner corner, I'll be using the J. La Rule Cosmetics White Gold Pigment. Okay, so I'm going to go in with some glitter, but before I do that, I will be applying some glue to my lid. I did a whole mixture, so I'm going to go in with that now. Okay, so I applied my liner off camera because it's so much easier to do. So I'm going to go back in with the deep red, which is called Zora from the Saharan palette, and I'm just going to be blending this out on my lower lash line. Who is there?
No,
hi baby, you coming to give mommy a hug? Come give mommy a hug. Oh, say hi. Hi. Alright baby, give mommy a kiss. Give mommy a kiss now. Eyelash. Come take her dancer. Don't take her. Hi. You telling them hi? Hi. 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 Come. Hi. Tell them bye. Tell them bye. Bye. Yeah. You can't see yourself. You have to look right there. So see there. You see yourself. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to be dusting away the powder now. Denzel. Done? So I'm going to be contouring with the CoverGirl Ebony Bronze. So for blush, I'll be using my Saharan blush palette, and I'll be using these two shades. I'm just going back over my face, seeing that, you know, I was in my eye makeup and I placed some powder onto my face. So I do look a little bit powdery, and so I'm going to be spraying my face. And I'm just going to be pushing this into the skin. Going in with my Face by Chanel Amber Glow highlighter. So I'm going to be lining my lips. So I want like a little red tone lip, so I'm just going to be patting this over the lips. Then I'm going to go over this with some gloss. Ooh, my lips look good. Come on. Them look juicy. Okay, so this quickly turned pink. So I need some clear gloss. So let's try this gloss. So that pretty much completes this look. Lord, my face nice. No girl, your face come out. See this? Oh shit. Okay, let's take it to the back. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll also leave the TikTok combination at the end of this video. So yeah, you guys can check it out, and you can follow me on TikTok. I think it's Mstoofine. So yeah, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye babies.